curve bar there, let's talk about bends and sometimes where you get a kink or a flat spot. You can see here where it's tight there, it's flat in the middle. We have a special tool, it's a piece of plastic, but it's cut to the right size, the right length, it's flexible, and you can easily put that on the inside of the curve just like that, and you can adjust it. You can just make a very small adjustment like that and fix that up. So now we've got a nice curve there, no kinks. Once again, flat spot, out it comes just like that. Just move it, just like a long sausage on the ground. Having this tool is the right thing to do that with though. So now it doesn't look like a flat spot. And you can get it at lilbubba.com.